All right, guys, we got the Infraction Thunder truck out. Make another pass today. SkyRC 12 satellites. Got my neighbor out here watching today. Got one coming here, we're gonna let them get by. Now we got another one coming. And another one. Sorry guys. It's gonna be a little long video. Well, the bottom done fell out, looks like. We got a few of them. All right, let's see if we can get her turned around here. All right, we're clear. Let's see what we can do. Woo! She was moving, boys. That was a awesome straight run right there. And I got her stopped just in time, just a little bit further down there. Luckily we got some overcast, it makes it a little bit easier. It ain't no shadows, that's a good thing today. Been running all those 4S cars, so that thing's got my daggum heart running right there, guys. All right, let's see what we got here. That was a good one. Well worth the wait, I hope. All right, stop, read. Oh shit! Look, guys, 162. That is a new world record right there with the Infraction Thunder truck. That is a 162. Man, I can't believe that one, guys. I had no idea this thing was going into 160s today. I picked the right day to wait for it to quit raining. I appreciate y'all watching, guys. Infraction Thunder truck 162.